I am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
I am excited to take you on a virtual stroll through the charming beachfront of Somorrostro Beach in Barcelona. Today, I will be sharing with you the beauty of this stunning beach, its rich history, and the many activities and attractions that you can enjoy here. So, grab your virtual sunscreen and let's begin. Before we start, I would like to kindly ask you to hit that like button if you enjoy the video. Your support means a lot to me and motivates me to
If you want
create
to
more
see
travel
the
content for
hottest
you.
video cuts from my
Also,
walks,
don't
subscribe
forget
to
to
my
write a
Patreon.
comment below
Link
and let me know
below.
your thoughts about the video. Lastly, please subscribe to my channel to stay updated with my latest travel adventures. It was abandoned in the 1960s and was rediscovered in the early 2000s. Today, it is a fascinating historical site that offers a glimpse into the lives of the people who once lived in the village. As we continue our stroll, you will notice the many bars and restaurants that line the beachfront promenade. These places offer a wide range of local and international cuisine, from fresh seafood to traditional Spanish tapas. You can enjoy a refreshing drink or a delicious meal while taking in the beautiful views of the sea. Another attraction that you should not miss is the sculpture of La Diosa, or the goddess. This stunning sculpture was created by artist Robert Limos and stands at the entrance of the beach. La Diosa represents the ancient goddesses of the Mediterranean, and her flowing curves and organic shapes perfectly capture the beauty and energy of the sea. As our stroll comes to an end, I hope you have enjoyed this virtual tour of Somorrostro Beach. This beachfront is a true gem of Barcelona, and I highly recommend that you visit it in person if you have the opportunity.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye.